In today's video, I'm going to teach you what to do when your Xero bank statement balance is wrong. Mistakes can happen in bookkeeping, and it's essential to know how to identify and rectify them quickly. Let's walk through the steps you need to follow to get your bank statement balance back on track. First, you'll want to navigate to the Reporting section, which you can find at the top of your Xero dashboard. Once there, click on Reporting, and you'll see a menu popping up that provides you with several options. You'll want to select all reports from that menu. This will direct you to a comprehensive list of reports available in Xero. Now, in this list, what you're looking for is the reconciliation reports. Go ahead and click on this option. These reports are incredibly useful for locating any discrepancies between your bank statement and your Xero records. They provide a detailed view of your transactions, which is precisely what you need to spot any errors. One of the beneficial features of these reports is the ability to customize your search. You can adjust the date range, report type, and other parameters that will help you zero in on the specific transaction or series of transactions where the error might have occurred. This flexibility is crucial because it allows you to tailor the report to meet your exact needs, honing in on the specific period or type of transaction where the mistake might have slipped through. As you examine the report, look out for hyperlinks embedded within the transactions. These are not just there for decoration. They're your direct link to correcting any discrepancies you find. When you come across a transaction that seems incorrect or doesn't match your records, simply click on the hyperlink associated with it. This will take you directly to the details of that transaction, giving you the opportunity to either delete it if it's not needed or edit its details to ensure accuracy. Remember, ensuring that your bank statement balance is correct is not just about fixing a number on a screen. It's about maintaining the overall integrity of your financial data, which is crucial for both small and large businesses alike. By regularly checking reconciliation reports and being mindful of discrepancies, you can prevent issues before they become significant problems. And that's it. These few simple steps will help you effectively identify and correct any errors in your Xero bank statement balance. Thanks for joining me today, and remember, accuracy in bookkeeping is your best friend in maintaining financial health. See you in the next video.